Yo, what up YouTube EX? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys, and before I even get started with this unboxing, I must bring up this very quick, and I am it's a disclaimer, and I'm basically, before I unbox this thing, I need to let you guys know about this product right here. It's a bad thing, and I gotta basically bring this out. This was supposed to have been a unboxing that was sponsored for another company that I actually brought it for. At the last minute, they decided they wanted to back out after I already paid for the item. Now, a lot of companies that you do and get like products and stuff from, they request for you to pay for it up front, then they refund it back, and stuff like that. I work with companies that does things with it like that, but the thing is, once you place your order, they refund it back to you like ASAP, just so you can get that item out like right away, so they can get this review done, right? Not a problem. This company, I went through every details with them, told them everything I was going to do. They asked me to send the information, got an email back, and as soon as I talked about, which I already put in the previous email, this right here, using somebody else's product to go with this product, which is going to benefit this product and your product also on top of it. You backed out on top of it. Then you want to give me some BS excuse saying that I don't meet the qualifications towards it. That was basically the excuse of them saying, we don't want you to review this. And the only thing they had to say is, please don't show this, but they didn't want to do that. They basically came out and gave me some BS cockamamie Mickey Mouse story. And after I already paid for this, had paid for the shipping to get it here right away, not only they wanted that, would kind of like threw them off with everything on top of it. They wanted me to say exactly what they wanted me to say. Now, to be honest, I don't do any type of reviews for any companies that I can't be 110% with my audience of how I feel about things. If they're going to control it, then you need to pay me a large sum for me to say this about what you want me to say if it's going to be an advertisement. So I am not going to do that. I'm going to have this at a different video on that. To be honest, I don't even know if I want to show the name of the company. To be honest, I don't even want to promote the thing or show it or unbox it, to be honest. This company that I reviewed with this was, they offered to send this out to me. What happened was I paid for it out of my pocket. Even though that they offered to send it to me, it's just I wanted to get this out to promote this real quick because there was another brand called Mamba Pad. I just wanted to do something that shows something completely different because I do like the way how theirs are compared towards the Mamba Pad and stuff like that. Different style, everything like that. They reached out to, well, I reached out to them. They said, yeah, give me your address, your name, everything. We'll ship it out to you free of charge on Amazon. I just went out the way and paid for it myself just to get it here quick because I have Prime. So I got it basically the next day instead of waiting the standard shipping, how they would have did it. I let them know they're happy with it. I told them, they're going to send me out some other products. I do have other products coming out. Sorry that took so long, but I had to get that out the way because the simple fact is I'm pissed off about with this package. Y'all know me. I have to have any products that I have to have my own creative rights towards it. I need to be able to express if this item is garbage, trash, whatever. They wanted me to say everything what they had scripted. I'm not about that. All right, at no further ado, you know what? This package don't even get the bat phrase. We don't get that. We just, let's unbox this. That's it. Y'all don't get the decency of getting the bat knife. Y'all don't get the decency for that. I'm just being honest, guys. That's what like really pissed me off with it. I'm trying to get this thing off. I should have cut it a little bit more better. There we go. I don't know, like, do I really want to show their name? I'll probably blur out the name. just to be petty about it. I'm about to be real petty about it. Just blur out their name. So here it is right here. This right there. They want 80 bucks for this. 80 bucks. And there's another company called the what is the name of it? The Alaneum, I don't know, Alanation. That comes with a charging dock, everything. So yeah. Yeah, that's all I can say is just yeah. So here it is right here. Like I said, I'm not going to give you guys any information about this. I'm not going to even put a link in the description for it. I am going to put a link in the description for this, all right? I just feel real petty today. Just on top of it, I'm going to buy the other version of this. The other version that comes with the dock station, all that crap, just to be petty with it. Case, put the thing in it, charge it like that. Can't charge it because it doesn't have a charging dock. I do have my old Nintendo Switch, my original Switch one, if I can find it. Where did I even put it at? Yeah, I kind of like lost that damn dock. Well, I have my old Nintendo Switch controller. Here it is. So I have my old one right here for my original Nintendo Switch. This is for my original Nintendo Switch. One thing you have to do is just pop that off like that. And like that. And that. And you basically got that. Does it fit in here? I don't even know. Let's see. Damn, the case don't even want to open up, boy. Yeah, my dock is a little too big for it. But yeah, charge it up that way. Doesn't even come with a charger. Don't come with anything. Hey. So, this is going to be the star of the show for today. We don't care about this really. We're going to promote this company right here. Let's get this out of the way. We're going to promote this company right here for these right here. So, let's get the Joy-Cons off. That's to the side. This one is blue. There we go. This one is orange. There we go. And you just connect this onto that like that. And you connect this one like that. There we go. And now, it does have wobble. I mean, I can probably enjoy it like this. I don't even care. Let me see. Yeah, that comes off. I really don't care. Like I said, I don't want to promote them, to be honest. RGB lights in the back. And nothing. There we go. There we go. This is why I wanted to promote them. As you can see right there, you do have the indicator right there for that, which I do like. You can hear it in my voice, guys, that I'm agitated and I'm aggravated. One thing I do like about these right here is that you get these wrist straps right here. So if you do happen to drop it or it falls out, you see, yeah, I was kind of like, it's kind of like having a D brand thing, but yeah, just got to be careful with this so it doesn't have a secure lock on it. I am going to talk to them about this and let them know about that. So yeah, I mean, it's just an adapter. I would just like to hear that it snaps in. Okay, that's good. But as long as you're not trying to pick it up like this and like that, it should be fine. Like that. That's the only problem that I was kind of having a drawback with, was basically that. pop this out. I am going to talk to them. There we go. I am going to talk to them and see if they can make another version. Maybe they need something a little bit stronger. So the thing is with this one is, which makes this one different from the Mamba, is that it doesn't feel like it has a magnet right here. I believe the Mamba one has the magnet here and the magnet here. So what I might do is just purchase the Mamba one and see the Mamba pad. Oh no, it has it. It has it. So here's my magnet right here. But it doesn't feel like a strong magnet. Okay, so what they're going to need to do, they're going to need a stronger magnet just to hold it a little bit better. Okay. As you can see right there, it doesn't really come off until you like do a lot of wiggling. But I can safely hold it like this. I want to see. I'm doing this on purpose. I'm just doing a stress test with it. Yeah, so on your way it's going to fall off is if you do that, like intentionally push it. So let's just do this full test real quick. So let's say if I pick it up, yeah. So I wouldn't hold it like this, like that, because it's going to bend like that. You can see it right there. So I am going to reach out to the company. I'm going to let them know they need to put stronger magnets on here. Maybe, I don't know. They need to put something a little bit stronger in here. I may remove this and see. I do like the fact that they got these stickers on here. I may open this up and look at how strong of a magnet they have in here, because I'm seeing it's just this and this. So it's basically this, this, and this. And that's basically it. But yeah. Do I recommend it? Yeah, I recommend it. Just be cautious when you use it. Playing like this, it feels fine, whatever like that. Just be real cautious how you use the damn thing. All right, guys. I am going to put the link in the description for this, for these grips. These, I'm not putting no links up for them. I don't give a crap about them. It is what it is. I'm sorry, guys. Y'all know how I am, but for you to back out on me at the last second when they literally backed out on me last night when this was already at the post office out for delivery. So yeah, that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.